Hey guys, Steven, Salon Guy here, and today I've got Carl with me, and Carl is a photographer and he's on Instagram, and definitely worth checking out. I'll share his Instagram link so you guys can look him up. But today we're celebrating the use of pregame for the first time, and this is the first time Carl's using it, and he's got that typical kind of Filipino hair where it's thick and it's straight. So pregame is designed to give extreme hold. It's perfect for this type of hair texture, even shorter hairstyles. Really, really amazing product that transforms over time. So when you first initially put it in, it's got a little bit of that waxy type texture to it, a little more on the creamy side. It's very heavy, and then over time what happens is it fully dries, becomes extremely matte, and you get twice as much volume. So pregame sets you up for the rest of the night, for the rest of the day, however you live your lifestyle, but it sets you up so that you're good to go later on. And I just want to have Carl share his experience because we were playing around with it a little before, and I don't know, take it away.
All right, so first of all, just opening the jar and you get hit with that scent. Like, that scent is so delicious. Like, I think Steven explained it to me. He said it was like banana, spice, rum, cinnamon. You get it out the jar, and then once you break it down in your hands and you emulsify it in your hands, like, that scent just kind of like really comes out, and it's so good. And then the actual application of the product, like, even though it's an extreme hold and there is some tack to it, it wasn't painful by any means, and it wasn't like uncomfortable. Like, I was able to put it through and everything, and I was able to get this kind of style here. And as you can see, like, he wasn't joking when he said extreme hold. Like, I could tell that this is gonna be firm, and this is gonna last me throughout the whole day. And I'm excited to see phase 2 of what pregame eventually becomes in my hair, and see how it dries up and see how it transforms into whatever it becomes later. So yeah, I'm really satisfied with the style right now, and it works really well with my hair. Like, usually I have a tough time with product just because my hair is so stubborn. Got that stereotypical straight Asian hair, and I have a tough time finding products that really work with it. But this one hands down is like probably one of the best that I've used. And I got a really good style out of it, and I'm excited to see what it can do.
So I just wanted to check in because I applied this product probably like 6 hours ago. Look at it now. Like, the hold is still good, and the volume is probably better than when I first applied it. Like, that's pretty insane. So yeah, the Salon Guy's pregame, it actually transforms throughout the day. Like, just look at that volume, look at that texture. The Salon Guy really outdid himself this time.